The dream is there. The future is the space program. And as young children, that's their goal. Some kids dream of becoming a Michael Jordan out on the basketball court or on the baseball field. Some kids dream of becoming astronauts.
There in your heart, let your dreams come alive. Give them to a gentle breeze and let imagination take you to a place that you have never been. Oh, someday you'll be there, spreading wings of hope with one rising sweet touch the sky, looking back through future's eyes with the promise of tomorrow, promise of tomorrow, promise of tomorrow.
I feel that America's space program is very important because we have all these people in the NASA business trying their hardest and going up to space, discovering new things and finding new technology, trying to save the Earth down here and plan kids for the future so they would have a good life.
As scientists are studying the new things that are out in space, that'll help us down on Earth. Building space stations and lunar cities be a lot cleaner than the Earth we have now.
In my lifetime, I want to be able to go to college and finish it, and then I want to train as an astronaut, and I want to go in the space shuttle, experience weightlessness, and I want to be the first woman on Saturn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have go for main engine start and liftoff. Liftoff of Discovery on America's first mission to Saturn.
And there is no way of telling where the end is going to be.
Promise of tomorrow.